Hi guys, so welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing my channel and liking my videos guys. So today in this video I'm going to describe you about the planet Jupiter in the sign of Gemini. So let's get started. See, as I already told you what is Jupiter in astrology. Jupiter is your knowledge, it is your wisdom, it is your faith, it is your belief system. Jupiter represents the higher divine supreme power which is sitting over there. It represents the optimism, all the good things which are happening in your life. It is a significator of all the positivity which is coming in your life. These all things are the representation of Jupiter. On the another hand, the sign of Gemini represents the communication. It is also the representation of all the sales and marketing people who are out there just selling their goods or the selling their ideas, and the professions which required a lot of communication. These all things are connected to the sign of Gemini. Also the sign of Gemini, it is a very eccentric sign, like uh, they are the true multitaskers of the zodiac sign. So when the planet of faith and optimism comes in this sign of eccentricness, see, first of all, I have seen this thing that Jupiter doesn't feel very much comfortable in this sign, because Jupiter and Mercury, they doesn't go along very good as a friends, because the sign of Gemini, it represents the communication, or you can also consider it as a gossip part. They tend to gossip a lot, but the Jupiter, who is the teacher, who is the guru, who is the optimistic teacher, he doesn't want to waste his energy to to communicate or to gossip something, some matter which is of no value. So Jupiter, at that time, Jupiter doesn't feel that much of comfortable. Also, I have seen this, like if they if they went into the business of sales or marketing, then they make some of the very great individuals in selling or marketing their products or ideas. See, I will give you one example. You have also seen some insurance guys who is selling you the insurance, or whenever you visit some showroom or somewhere, so they try to sell you something like, okay, you will purchase this, it will help you in your future time also. So when the man who is having, or the woman who is having Jupiter in the sign of Gemini, they also, they tend to put some wisdom and knowledge in their communication. Like, suppose they are selling you life insurance, they will tell you in such a way that you are emotionally involved. They get you involved emotionally in their own words, like, if you don't purchase this, then it might hurt your kids, or please save the future of your kids. This insurance is very necessary, it is necessary for your children, okay, and all this kind of things. So they put a little bit of a wisdom, knowledge and hope in their communications, and they tend to sell a uh, very good products in the market. So in this field, it's considered a very good. Also, apart from this, I have also seen Jupiter in this sign, it will make a person very clever individuals I have seen with this kind of combination. Like, these kind of people, the cleverness part which I am telling you, that they first think about themselves, and then they think about other individual or the other person. So you can also call it a little selfishness part is coming to inside them, they want to feed themselves first, and then to some other individuals. So they are very clever. And also, regarding in early on their ages, like in their mid 20s or around 25, they struggle a lot to like they struggle a lot to communicate, or to be in a group where they are understandable by other human beings or other individuals. Like, it's very difficult for you to understand this kind of like Jupiter in the sign of Gemini individual, it is very difficult for you to understand them. The way they speak, or the way they perceive things, it is totally like it's out of your realm to understand such kind of individuals, because these two entities they are very heavy entities in the universe. So it's very tough to understand these kind of individuals, especially like I have seen like in family matters, or uh, in their love matters. It's very tough to understand such kind of individuals. So also, like if you are a like ladies, or if you are a female, then Jupiter represents your husband as well. So like in this kind of scenario, you may find your husband in some field of marketing or some sales person. Like you are out there doing something, and some person is coming and they are selling you product or ideas, and you find it very attractive. So that's it guys, from my side. If you have more queries, you can please contact me at my mail ID, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe my channel below and hit the like button guys. Bye bye and take care.